show PDF file on Preview Pane. Do you want to show PDF files like this? Follow 6 steps to show PDF file at Preview Pane. Step 1. Click Start. Type in text box, search Programs and Files. Notepad to open Notepad program. Step 2. Copy below and paste it into Notepad. Step 3. Save as with option. Save as type equals all file. File name equals review pdf.reg. Remember, you must have reg. Step 4. Open file saved and right-click to merge. Yes. Yes. OK. Step 5. Well done. Please check Preview Pane with PDF files. Step 6. If this video is useful, please like, share and subscribe. Thanks so much.